This is Legends Realty, and I'll be showing you the property at 281 Meagan Beth Road in Apopka, Florida 32712. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage, single family home with 1,284 square footage. Let's take a look at the inside. Right here is the living room area, dining room, and kitchen. Here is the master bathroom. And master bathroom. Take a look at the guest bathrooms. Guest bathroom. And the third bedroom. Right here is the garage. 2-car garage. Thank you for viewing the property at 281 Meagan Beth Road in Apopka, Florida 32712. This video was brought to you by Legends Realty.